I want to congratulate Gorka Mona Curtin on the ceremony on Curtin of Runner where Captain Sean Kelly.
Hey guys, before we start here, first of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to the referees and fixers today, guys. Big help for the referees. Guys, keep the heads up, and we just work hard at it. Lads, we've got our boys on the bounce. We put up against them this year, lads, we've got all the organisations playing against us, and we got the home up, we're up down, guys, and we put them together, guys, come against them today, lads. So bring three cheers for England, lads. Have fun. Some people here, but the stick carriers, the water boys, which I use to come up today. And the next up last year, Greg McCarthy, the big boys they use, and put it all smoothly as it goes. The big standing of the ball, who's our manager, Tommy Clark. Such an effort, even off the pitch, which most players wouldn't see. He puts a lot of hard work in, more so off than what he does on it. And a big thank you to Rob. Thank you. Boys, we're doing this work, but let's take it one step